Autopilot moving the wheel.
We got it on 4.
G'day everyone, welcome to another episode of Empress Sailing. We are her crew, Michelle, Catran, Fleur and Anouk. Join us as we continue our journey to get to know and fall in love with our new Contest 36 named Empress. Be part of our adventure. We hope you enjoy our videos. Feel free to subscribe to our channel, comment and don't forget to leave a like.
As you can see, Catran installed an AIS transceiver, antenna for the AIS, Big VHF and GPS. Being able to see our boat pinpoint on the map, he was so happy he had a beer. Well done. Beautiful.
Maybe rub. Good old Empress back on the boat. Dusty.
Yes. We spent an afternoon hauling out our entire chain, which counted out ended up being 60 meters long, and we measured the thickness and this was 8 millimeters thick. So we're going to have to get a new chain. Some new chain.
Let's do it.
We found some cool coloured markers which indicate the chain's length at different intervals, and we saw that we could remove them, clean them and reuse them the next time.
So I put some epoxy already on the glass, pre-prepped it, and put it on the a layer on the client edges and a layer over the whole thing, and an extra layer on the connection with the hull. So I hope this will be strong enough. I will see. But I think it's better. And then tomorrow when it's dry, I'll drill out from the inside, from Anouk's cabin through the board, and then we can mount the Autopilot. So today I'm in the back locker of our Contest 36. I'm busy putting in a mount for the Autopilot. So we had a look. I'm going to mount the I've got a base plate here. The Autopilot's going to mount onto, and I've got in here an arm. The Autopilot's going to pull on the rudder shaft. So today is epoxy time. So I've got some mat wet out. And I'm gonna cover the mount to make it a little bit stronger. So yeah, there you go. So I've just been busy installing the Autopilot, and it's working. I've got it working. So I'll show you. If I press the +10, you can see the Autopilot moving the wheel. And back again. Whee!
So this is one of the first times I'm cooking on the induction. So I've only got it on 4 and it's roasting already, so it's got enough power. It's fully charged from the sun. Sunny today. It's going really well. It's really good. Gas is completely gone, so it's awesome. I might turn it off actually.
That's all it needs.
Yeah, it looks good.
Just on top. It's stuck out down now with the sticky and a screw. So now we're putting on the logo and the bow. So this is me, the shadow. And this is the bow of the boat. And this is the logo. So yeah, we've got a bit of a peely job, but looking pretty good. Alright, I'll keep going with this.
So we picked up these stickers at a local sign writing sticker making place just here in Haarlem. You just send in the files and they're pretty easy to work with. It was good. It was just a shame for Catran that we'd chosen such a windy day to try and get this very last sticker on.
It's not working.
Oh, bugger.
Ah!
Helemaal top.
Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance.